Thank you for downloading Record's Augmented Reality app. Please check if you have one of the compatible devices listed. You will need an Augmented Reality Core supported device to use this app. The app needs to be activated to get started. Your smart device will ask you to trust apps obtained from an unknown source as a trustworthy source. If you are using Apple devices with iOS, after downloading and installing the app, go to Settings, General, Device Management. There you will find the entry View FrameLab. Select this and click on Trust. Confirm your selection. If you are using Android devices, it's slightly different. Click on Settings, look for unknown sources, activate this entry and confirm with OK. From now on you can start using the app. If it does not work, please ask your Record partner for the Get Started manual, which includes a list of all supported devices and a step-by-step manual and images.